Here it is, you guys. Alright guys, it's time to bring you guys a semi-built transmission for the Galant Vr-4. I got some degreaser out, I got some brake cleaner over there. Came from my buddy's Tial, as mentioned at the end of the previous video. He made 600 horsepower, that thing ripped. It ripped with this transmission. He pulled it to go auto. Taylor, you probably still regret it. Just kidding. But let's go ahead and get this guy cleaned up, and then I could go over what we believe is inside and what we know for sure what it's got. So let's go get this cleaned up and maybe onto the Galant today. Who knows? We'll see. Alright guys, we're calling it a day for today. Cleaned up, gotta lower the car. I'm not going to go over everything yet with this, but I did run into an issue of this being a 23 spline output shaft, and the old one is 22. And I only have I have one spare transfer case, and it's also 22, and the one on the car is a 22 as well. So it's all on hold, but obviously this isn't the end of the video, or maybe it is. Most likely not. I may not even add this in. We'll see.